Hi all friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can send your location in WhatsApp. Friends, subscribe to this channel. Please put your likes and write your comments. So let us get started with you. And open the WhatsApp app. And then go into the conversation with the person. Next, click on this here plus on the bottom left corner. Then select the location or location option. And here, friends, you will be able to share your location. If you click right here, share your location. And that way, you will be able to share it. You'll also be able to share some other location here. If you scroll down, you can choose absolutely any location that's close to you and share it as well. And also you can also, friends, share your live location if you need to. And also here you can also, when you share your location, choose how long you share your live location for. It's 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. You choose the time that you're comfortable with and share it. At any time you can stop sharing your position spot. To do that, you'll just have to at the bottom just select Stop Sharing Location if you do your live location for a while. That's how it is, friends. A few ways you can send location to WhatsApp app. I really hope this video has helped you and that it has been useful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.